Record-breaking for winter vacation, Edify World School held Christmas celebration for students of grades 3rd to 11th on 22nd December. After much preparations, which included rehearsals, decoration of stage and other arrangements, the program began at 11:10 am. The event was conducted by Nanika Sembal and Akshita Badoni, both from grade 9.
Nayanika welcomed the chairperson Mrs. Kiran Holkar, director Shri Pankaj Holkar, special guest Shri Umesh Khanduri and Harsh Holkar, principal, staff and students to the assembly. The school choir then presented an action song, I Want to Clap, in the accompaniment of guitar played by Devanshi, Sunidhi, Sayan and their teacher Surendra Singh. The drums were played by Pranjal. Then Akshita spoke briefly about the meaning of Christmas.
Joy in people, forgetting self and finding time for others. It is discarding and meaningless and focusing on true values.
Another choir song was sung, I Am Trading My Sorrow. And then director Sir Sri Pankaj Holkar spoke the essence of Christmas.
हर दिन हमें कुछ नया लर्न करना चाहिए और जो हमें आता है उसको और बढ़ाते रहना चाहिए, उसको ऐड ऑन करना चाहिए और साथ ही साथ खुश रहना चाहिए. तो ये इम्पॉर्टेंट मैसेज है बाइबल का जो है जीना कैसे है.
This was followed by a scintillating dance performance by a mixed group of students. The Hindi choir then sang Sarv Shaktiman, after which the principal, Mr. Ajay Lal, talked about the life of Christ and what we learn from it.
Commandments is all about what Christ's life is, what was his service, and this special moment that we are celebrating, which is Christmas.
In the accompaniment of choir song Jingle Bells, Abhilash Garola, dressed as Santa Claus, entered the stage on a motorcycle and danced with the students and shared the trophy.
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way.
The choir then wished all Merry Christmas and Happy New Year through a song. After this brief Christmas celebration, students who won positions in the inter-game competition on 18 December were awarded with the certificates along the students who were top performer in the Quiz India competition held in the classes in the month of November and December on Mondays. The prize distribution was coordinated by 3C coordinator Ritika Gurung, physical education teacher Madhav Singh and students Nishika Thakur and Mehak Badoni of grade 11. The event closed with the general announcements to vote of thanks by the academic coordinator Dr. Pyashar Tyagi.
So special thanks to everyone, and at the last, happy and Merry Christmas to all.
This was followed by distribution of chocolate and dispersal of students.